Jill, Join Innovation Lab, has created the Vodafone home screen, a new way to live the user experience that Vodafone wants to put not only on Symbian smartphone like the 6730 Classic that I have in my hands, but also on other platforms like Windows Mobile, BlackBerry, Android, but also Java phone. So a user experience that is not cool only in phones like the Android phone or on the iPhone, but also on normal phone. And the same user experience Vodafone promised to put on these different phones. So let's see, that is divided in 4 different areas that are these tabs. Let's start with the one on the top, that in this area you will find all your activity, like the latest phone calls, all your agenda synchronized perfectly with Google Calendar or Zip Calendar or your Facebook calendar. In messages you will find all your email, SMS, MMS, but also you will have a tag of your instant message messages, of your Facebook messages or other social networking message. Then you have your phone calls. Then you have a fun area where you can find some Vodafone banner, like you have the one on the top, your preferred application, but also photo, music, maps, games, video, mobile TV, ringtones, themes and back screen, news, but also the 190 that is a client service. So when you click on let's see photo, you will see all your recent photos that you have downloaded, or when you go in the gallery you see all the gallery. So it's also a shortcut to your phone feature. When you go in application like games, you will find the games that you have downloaded probably by a friend or with the Nokia Engage in this case, that is the Sims, or you can download other games and you can decide where you want to download these games. All the traffic, the mobile traffic that is generated in this area is included in the in the Vodafone service. Then you have here you have VIP contacts with your most called for contacts, but in the future this will be an area called Us, where you can find all your friends' activity. So if they put some new message on Facebook, if they have some new tweets, if they send you some photos, some stuff through the internet or social networking area. Then you have internet that is divided in 2 areas. The top one with it's fixed, and you have a Google search. Then you have Apps Shop, that is the new Vodafone application store, preferred, and then My Web. My Web is the new project of the mobile portal of Vodafone that is completely customizing. So you can have your services and get off from your personal one or the Vodafone if you don't like them, or you can mix, or you can change them time per time, and the same feature that you have on your PC you will find on your mobile portal. Of course you will have an ID and a password. Then you have the application. Now we have here Clock, RSS Reader and Weatherbug. These applications are developed by a new SDK that Vodafone is giving for free, and when you develop an application, Vodafone in just 7 days will test it, will certify and will publish on the store. On the store, if you want to be paid, Vodafone can give you also the 70% of the amount of the price of the application. So it's really fast, really useful. Application should be less than 1 megabyte, very friendly user, and they don't have to use much of the internet communication data. Then we have also other new feature like People that is not available yet, and with People you will settle all your accounts of your social networking service, of your instant message, of all your emails. So you will have one account that contains all the other accounts that you can use very, very fast. Vodafone is creating this user interface and this new way to give the possibility to the person to use cool internet service in the coolest way on different mobile phones. Vodafone really wants to give a very horizontal, user-friendly platform, so you will have the same icons, the same service, the same user interface on a Nokia phone or an Android phone, but also on BlackBerry, Windows Mobile. So this is a new way to leave the internet for Vodafone. In Italy, the price of the service will be, there will be different option, but most of it will be, the cheapest one will be €3 per week, and all will be included from web navigation to chat to instant messaging to emails, so push emails of course, will be accepted the voice over IP service at the beginning, probably in the late years will be also included. For CellulareMagazine.it, Emilio Vignapiano, and the new Vodafone home screen service.